times before we get this video started, we do have an official winner for our latest giveaway truck, the blue 3rd Gen 6-speed, the matching Diamond C trailer, plus the 10 grand. The official winner phone call will be at the end of this video. Sorry for the wind noise. It is windy and it's cold, but we do have an official winner for this bad boy. The phone call is at the end of this video. It is honestly a pretty insane phone call, so make sure you guys stick around for that. But if you didn't get entered for the blue 3rd Gen or the matching Diamond C trailer, we do have another giveaway running right now, and it is my dually, the murdered out 4th Gen Ram with another matching Diamond C trailer plus 20 grand. So get in if you haven't gotten entered in that, but let's get this video rolling. Stick to the end to watch that phone call, and make sure you guys go to wrenchworks.com to get entered in the latest giveaway, because that is going to be one heck of a Christmas gift for one of you guys. We're keeping the dually inside nice and warm and clean, and if you guys are still waiting on your orders, trust me, I'm telling you, we are getting out orders ASAP. You will get everything, but make sure you guys get entered. Here it is, the latest giveaway ending on December 18th. Make sure you guys get entered. The website's restocked, tons of stuff on there. New stuff is on there as well, which you guys haven't seen before, so make sure you guys go there and get entered. Let's get this video going. We are back in the shop this weekend working on our OG 2nd Gen that we are common rail swapping. So the goal for this video is to get that common rail, that 6.7 beautiful common rail, sat in the 2nd Gen sitting right in front of us. We do have a lot of cleanup to do. We've got some miscellaneous things to do. We've got some engine mount things that we're gonna get into as well, but the whole goal for this video is to get that engine in there and get this mess all cleaned up in preparation for the trip to go to Baldwin Performance. Our man Cody is going to rewire the entire truck for us and get all of our 2nd Gen to common rail integration working and keep all of our dash working and all that stuff. He's done plenty of 2G to common rail swaps, and that's why we're going to take that to him, have him kind of like button all of this stuff up. So we need to get that engine in there. We need to kind of get everything ready for him. It needs to be kind of like ready to fire. We need to put fuel system stuff on it. We're still quite a ways away. We are still waiting for our transmission to get back from Superstick, our NV5600. So today we're just hoping to make a good push on this project in general and see what else we need to run into. We're going to try to look at some power steering lines, stuff like that. So might be a little all over the place, might be a little miscellaneous, but we are going to just keep chugging away, as you guys always know, as my motto always goes, you know what I mean? A little bit here, a little bit there. Next thing you know, you're moving along. So first step of today, you guys saw me take off our factory VP engine mounts. We're going to actually be reusing these engine mounts, and while you could actually just put these engine mounts right on your common rail engine and stuff that bad boy right in there, we're going to go one step further and change out basically our rubber mounts, part of these mounts, and we are going to replace them with these sexy units. These are from our good buddy Austin Deutsch. Look him up on Facebook. I'll put his name down here. He actually sells these for a little bit of money, and the factory rubber part of this engine mount gets replaced. They're already done on the burnout rig down here, and you guys can kind of see like a finished product. There you go. Look at those sexy units. So if you guys are interested, go hit Austin up. He's a good dude, fellow racer. But we've got to go ahead and take out the rubber mount, the rubber sleeve. The reason why I say this is the first step of the day is because handy dandy instructions here, which we definitely read, says that to install these easier and the tolerances that are needed, these need to go in the freezer. So we're gonna go stick these in the freezer in the house, and once those are frozen, we'll be able to do that, but that's gonna take a little bit of time. While those are getting frozen, we'll go ahead and declutter some of this wiring. Cody said to go ahead and leave a lot of the VP wiring in place. He's gonna go ahead and move all of that stuff, trim all that stuff down. We're gonna go ahead and move all these computers, but he's gonna take care of all that. I'm not gonna mess with that. That's what he requested, but what we are gonna do is just remove some of the stuff that is definitely not gonna be used, as far as like, this is still some of the Quadzilla tuner stuff. There's gauges in there that we're gonna be redoing. Fuel lines that need to get redone. We're going to clean all that up, and then as you can see, we've got 20 years of gunk and grease. Not bad by any means, but we're going to go ahead and pressure wash all that out before our nice beautiful engine gets set in there. Time to scrub this thing down, clean all this stuff up, removed a whole bunch of wiring, the battery cables, the battery box over here, all of the aftermarket wiring that was in the truck, whether it was for the air dog, whether it was for the gauges inside, a lot of the unnecessary things that are not gonna be used with the swap. That's all laying right there, not gonna be used. That's why we took the gauges down. We'll probably end up going back with different gauges, but we are ready to scrub this thing down, then do the engine mounts, then stick that thing in there. So a lot of the tedious nonsense that you guys don't really care about. One thing I will say, if you guys have an older truck, make sure you clean it down inside of these shock towers down here. Third gens are kind of notorious for it too. This side always seems to be bad. You can see we've got a little bit of rust buildup, but stuff gets caked down right inside here, and there's a hole on the back side. Make sure when you guys are like cleaning up your stuff, make sure you spray water down in there, clean that stuff up. Otherwise, you get a lot of like dirt. It just stays wet in there, and as you can see, it just starts to kind of like rust some stuff up. So make sure you clean that area while you're detailing your rig. Hey, this looks like a nice wheel chalk.
Whew. Got her done. Might need some extra material.
Guys, Amsoil just sent us out a little care package for the holidays, some new merch that they just dropped. Got some new flannels, got some new t-shirts. In case you need a little help shopping for the holidays, also code GREGA will get you a free emergency 10mm socket with $125 or more, so go check it out. New merch, who doesn't love some more 10mm sockets? And if I'm not mistaken, this right here says, in case of emergency, break glass for 10mm sockets. So go check this stuff out. It's always an emergency around here, so we're about to do that. That is some hefty glass. Take two on the glass. Oh, bro. You might need a bigger hammer than what we just got right there. Dude, it went to the ceiling and then down. I don't know what kind of glass Amsoil is using in this in case of emergency, but in case you don't have a hammer big enough, they actually do just have a lid that you could take that off. But wow. If their merch is anything like this glass, I mean, you're in for a treat. Yo, we got our engine mounts all pressed in. We got them painted up nice. There they are. Honestly, not too bad to press in. Like the instructions said, we put them in the freezer, let them freeze up for a good, probably, I don't know, 6 or 7 hours, and then they pressed kind of right in there. No big deal. So really not too bad. So we're ready to put these on the engine, and honestly, we're getting pretty close to putting the engine in. I really just spent some time going around, gathering some miscellaneous stuff. That way we don't have to like do it while it's in the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and put our fleece coolant bypass back here on the back of the engine. We've got a fuel return fitting back here we're gonna do. Gathering up some of the stuff that we've used previously on old engine setups for fuel supply. We're gonna go ahead and use this fleece block. That's gonna do all of our returns, all of our supply. We're gonna go ahead and put that on. This is the line that kind of goes to the back of the cylinder head. Fleece coolant bypass. Engine mounts, clean hardware, and some miscellaneous plugs that I'm going to change here real quick before we go ahead and slap this bad boy in. The other thing I wanted to kind of mention, a lot of people have been hitting me up as far as like common rail in a second gen. One thing that you will have to do, and this is kind of what's laid out here, our engine adapter plate. On a common rail, you have this O-ring here that seals against, basically it's called a cam O-ring seal, I believe. Right here you can actually see the backside of your cam. On a VP engine, this looks a little bit differently as far as the way the block, the way the cam is set up. You don't actually need an O-ring right here, so On a common rail adapter plate, you'll have this groove, you'll have this O-ring. We need to kind of wait for our new one to kind of come in, but on our VP setup, there is no O-ring, there's no seal there, so that you will have to change your adapter plate. So this is an adapter plate from a manual, and we're gonna go ahead and use this one on our swap, but just make sure you guys kind of note that. So probably gonna go ahead and get a new starter, and honestly, might need to make sure these dowels are in. I see this dowel sitting right here, so we'll go ahead and check that out. I'm not really worried about that. That can go in after the engine's already in, but some of this miscellaneous stuff we'll go ahead and change out, and we'll get this bad boy slapped in. Spent some time, got this thing painted up nice. She's looking good and mint underneath there now. So we are ready for this engine to go in. Alrighty boys, well fire me up. The engine is officially in the truck. One small step for Greg, one giant leap for second gens without a VP in them. But anyway, engine is in. It's got me pretty pumped up, I'm not gonna lie. We actually just got a text message that our transmission is gonna be done very, very soon as well. So this thing should fly together pretty dang quickly, which has got me, like I said, I'm excited, very excited. No more VP. We need to make power here, so we are getting ready. We need to get our fuel system kind of like plumbed in. We've got some stuff for some new power steering lines, all of the buttoning up that needs to happen, but the engine is in. New engine mounts are in there. They're definitely quite a bit of a tight fit. I'm not sure if it's just a second gen frame thing, kind of like the transmission cross member. You have to like expand the frame a little bit to kind of get that cross member in. We did have to kind of like try to expand the frame just a little bit to get them in, because the engine mounts were just a little wider than the frame slots were. So I'm not sure if that's just a this engine mount thing or no engine, no trans. It kind of just fights going in. But we did get it in, no issue there, and we are looking good. Our new air dog actually came in, so upgraded to a 5G 220. Nothing but the best, because we're going to be running dual CP3. So this has got like a 5/8 suction to the pump. So we'll go ahead and mount that pump, run some new lines, and then like I showed you guys before, we've got our fleece distribution block. It's just tucked and hidden underneath there. You're not even going to be able to see these lines a lot, so it's a nice clean way to run one feed up, and if you run in dual CP3s or not, you can tie into that. You can just run one if you want, but all the returns go to the same block. So we'll have one feed up, one return up, or back I should say, but nice clean. We are looking good. Again, just putting it in there already gets me excited. We're still waiting on the seals to kind of like put our adapter plate on, and also our water outlet for the radiator, but we are getting there. So that is pretty much going to wrap up this video, guys. Appreciate it as always. If you haven't already, time is running out for you to get entered in the dually giveaway. Dually, brand new matching Diamond C trailer plus 20 grand. I don't know what you're waiting for, but the deadline is the 18th. So only a few short days right before Christmas, somebody is going to be getting a call of a lifetime, and that is going to be quite the Christmas present. But Project 2G67 swap is making moves, and we are pumped. So that'll do it. We'll see you guys in the next video real soon. See ya. What's going on, guys? Greg from Rentrix here, coming at you with our official winner announcement for Rentrix giveaway number 17, our blue 3rd Gen 6-speed Cummins matching Diamond C trailer plus the 10 grand that it comes with. We have our official winner back from our third-party sweepstakes company, so we're going to get into that, let you guys know who the official winner is. First off, huge thank you to anyone who gets entered in the giveaways. Appreciate the support a ton. Couldn't do it without you guys. Last but not least, before we get into the winner, Wrenchworks giveaway number 18, which is still currently live right now. Ends right before the holidays, December 18th. So Wrenchworks giveaway number 18 is officially live right now when you're watching this. But anyway, let's get into the official winner announcement. Wrenchworks giveaway number 17, official winner, Corey Hecker from Oregon. So let's give Corey a call, let him know the good news, see if he's available for FaceTime. Let him know that that is his new truck sitting right behind us. You wanna take a lunch bet whether he answers or not?
He's not answering.
Corey!
What's up?
Corey, it's Greg from Wrenchworks, buddy.
Dude, what's up?
You remember entering for Wrenchworks giveaway number 17?
Yes, no way.
Dude, you're the winner, bro.
No fucking way.
Yeah, dude. Trailer, truck.
Oh my god, no, this can't be real.
This is real, bro.
Dude, I'm just out here fucking riding my bike.
No way. Did you
No way.
randomly stop to take a FaceTime phone call?
No, I was just getting off my bike to view the ocean. And
Dude, look at these under the ocean. You're on the ocean.
Yeah, I'm in Oregon.
Dude, that's crazy. Well, I got even more crazy news, man. You got a new truck and trailer.
No way. I can't believe this, dude.
Yeah, man. Wrenchworks giveaway number 17 is all yours, buddy. Dude, are you wearing the hoodie right now?
Yes, I am actually.
Yo, that's crazy. Yo, that's awesome. Let me flip this thing around.
Shit. Dude, you know what's crazy? Tomorrow's my birthday.
No.
I'm 21.
Well, how old are you?
I'm 19, or I'm 20 right now. I turn 21 tomorrow.
Okay. Man, so you got a 21st birthday and getting a new truck.
No, dude, that's so crazy.
Yo, that's awesome, dude.
Hell yeah, when do I come pick it up?
Whenever you want, man. There she is, man.
That's so sweet.
She's all yours, man.
You know, I almost went and bought a truck the other day, a 4-gen Dodge, but I'm like, I don't know, I'm just gonna wait for a little bit.
That's probably good that you waited, man.
Yeah.
Dude, that's wild. But yeah, congratulations. Give me a minute. We're gonna end the announcement video, and then I'll call you back with all the details, buddy.
Okay.
Cool. I appreciate it, man. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, buddy. We'll talk soon.
All right.
See you, man.
Bye.
Yo, that's so crazy. I was like, man, I think he's got the hoodie on. That's crazy. So Corey Hecker of Oregon, official winner of Wrenchworks giveaway number 17. That's wild. So what a 21st birthday, man. That's crazy. I love it. That's why we do it, guys. Appreciate all of you guys. Make sure you guys get entered in Wrenchworks giveaway number 18, our murdered out dually with a trailer with 20 grand. So make sure you guys get entered in that giveaway going on right now, right before Christmas. You guys will see a full video of Corey coming to pick up his new truck here shortly. But appreciate you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.